Hi, this is Albert Nixon, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Kadalur. Today I am going to discuss about alkanes. Introductions about alkanes. Alkanes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons. They are represented by the general formula CnH2n plus 2, where n is number of carbon atoms. They contain carbon-carbon single bond. They are also called paraffins. In alkane, each carbon is sp3 hybridized with 4 sigma bonds. The alkanes have two main commercial sources, petroleum and natural gas. Nomenclature of alkanes. First, number of carbon atom, then word root, then IUPAC name, then structure and the molecular formula. First, one number carbon is meth, then eth, prop, but, pent, x, hept, oct, non, and tech, and goes on. So, likewise, IUPAC name is methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane. This is also nomenclature. Suffix, it ends with ane, alkane, so methane, ethane, propane, butane. So goes on. It is also, these are the rules for IUPAC nomenclature. First rule is name the longest chain. First you choose longest chain, then number the longest chain. Give numbers 1, 2, 3 like. Third rule is locate and name the substituents. So if substitute any alkane group or alkyl group or aryl group, so name the groups. Then fourth one is combine the longest chain and substituent. So these are the IUPAC nomenclature of alkanes. Then these are the structures, various structures. First one is straight chain alkane. Second one is branched alkanes. Third one is cycloalkanes. The first one is cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane, then cycloheptane. These are the alkanes derivatives. Then preparations of alkanes. These are the preparations: decarboxylation, Woods reactions, reduction of alkyl halides, and hydrogenation reactions, Gold reaction, Grignard reagents, hydroboration, Coriolis synthesis. First, decarboxylation. Sodium salt of carboxylic acids on heating with soda lime gives alkanes. So the reaction is given below. Sodium salt of acids by heating to removal of sodium carbonate to give alkane. Then second reaction is Woods reaction. So higher alkane are produced by heating an alkyl halide with sodium metal in triether. Two molecules of alkyl halide lost their halogen atom as sodium halide. So to give alkane. Then third one is hydrogenation reactions. To treat with hydrogen and the presence of acid catalysts such as nickel, palladium, platinum. So you take alkenes will give alkane. So this is addition reaction. If you take alkyne, it converted into alkene and finally you get alkane. Then fourth one is Grignard reaction. Grignard reaction is an organometallic chemical reaction in which alkyl, allyl, vinyl, aryl, magnesium halides added to carbonyl group in an aldehyde or ketone. The reaction is given below. First, alkyl halide reacts with magnesium to form Grignard reagent. Then that Grignard reagent reacts with water molecule to give alkane. This is a Grignard reaction. Then next reaction is Wolff reaction. When concentrated salt of carboxylic acid is electrolyzed and alkane is formed. This reaction is only suitable for the preparation of symmetrical alkanes. It is a very good method to prepare symmetrical alkanes. For example, prepare ethane, butane, so hexane, like that. Then sixth one is reduction of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides can also reduced catalytically to alkane by hydrogen in palladium. So it is a reduction of alkyl halide reaction. The next reaction is Cori reactions. Coriosynthesis method, preparation of alkane from alkyl halide. The reaction is given below. So properties of alkanes. Alkanes are virtually insoluble in water but dissolve in organic solvents. The liquids alkanes are good solvent for many other covalent compounds. Then breaking of the intermolecular forces with the substance, breaking intermolecular forces in water so that the substance can fit between the water molecule. In water, the primary intermolecular attraction and the hydrogen bonds. Generally, alkane have low melting points. This is due to weak intramolecular forces of attractions. Nothing but van der Waals forces, which can be overcome by small amount of heat energy. As alkane molecule become longer, intermolecular forces of attraction become stronger. More heat energy is needed to overcome intermolecular forces of attraction to separate the molecules, and melting points is increase. So reaction in alkane, free radical halogenation. So methane reacts with chlorine in the presence of catalytic medium, light and light, to give chloromethane. Then reaction is further carrying to give dichloromethane. Then reaction is give trichloro, then tetrachloro. Dichloromethane is nothing but DCM, simply called. It is act as a good solvent. Then trichloromethane is chloroform. Then get carbon tetrachloride. So uses of alkanes used in the productive polymers, vaselines, commercial gasolines, tar, candle wax, butane lighters, methane fuels, and industrial lubricants. So thank you for watching. Thank you.